Hold on to your hats, NFL fans. We've got an ending that'll blow your mind. In this 8K animated showdown, watch Tyrique Stevenson pull off the most unbelievable Hail Mary pass you've ever seen. The animation is so lifelike, you'll feel like you're right on the field. We break down every heart-pounding moment, from Noah Brown's dazzling catches to Jayden Daniels' unbelievable runs. This game was packed with action. But that's not all. We dive into the fierce NFC East rivalry. What does this game mean for the teams moving forward? Now we want to hear from you. What did you think of that Hail Mary? Who was the standout player? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Stay updated with all the latest NFL highlights and analysis. Join us for the ultimate NFL showdown. You won't want to miss this.